Hello everyone, I hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day, enjoying the sunshine. Yeah. Thanks to everyone who's subscribed, liked, shared, commented. It all helps. Right, I'm going to cook a breakfast roll. It's not really breakfast, it's more of a lunchtime roll / dinner roll, because there's going to be quite a bit in it. I'll get you over to the ingredients. So, got a couple of ciabatta rolls, I've got some eggs, I've got some bacon, I've got some jalapenos, I've got an onion, got some kerrygold, and look at that. I've got some hot dogs as well. Bit of brown sauce, bit of tomato sauce, bit of pepper, and if I find some cheese, bit of cheese as well. So it's going to be a big old roll really. So it's going to do me for lunch and for dinner. So 2 eggs, jalapenos, air fryer, 11 minutes at 200. You see that lit up or not? 11 minutes, it's off. Bit of onion in there. Oh. I wonder how the onions are going to taste with the jalapenos. Cheese in there. Just a bit of Cathedral City cheese. You chuck that on the bacon. Oh yeah, we're cooking. That's a little down. It's like 2, 4 minutes left. Air fry. 200 for 4 minutes. So that's it. We're nearly done. Oh, cheese is looking lovely. Just gonna see if I can get it there. Now look, the hot dogs are just starting to split. They must be ready, are they? That's a sign. Onions look nice. Some extra cheese there. Yeah. You know, a lot of people cook hot dogs in a saucepan with water. I think it's the wrong way. One time when I was fishing, I cooked a hot dog in a pan, and the flavours were just so much better. For some reason, I sort of wasn't feeling it when it's cooked in water. It sort of goes cold and it's a bit yucky, yeah. Don't really like it. But when you try them, that's different altogether, isn't it? Difference between like night and day. So all I'm thinking is that I'm cooking it in bacon fat.
which is obviously great. Put this really. Look at that. Look at that. Hot dogs are going to be bigger than the ciabatta roll by a bit. Would you say they're cooked? Would you say they're overcooked? Let us know in the comments. What's your take on it? That roll's coming on. Hopefully, it won't just all fall apart. If it does, I'm still going to eat it. It's still going. Anybody mustard though? So, that's what I'm finding. I think I've got it. I'll try a bit of pickle next time. Bit of pickle, bit of gherkin. That's what I need, is a bit of gherkin. Sandwich just about done. It's nearly cooked. Look at it, it made it lovely later. Full tomato. Of course, if you like the video, subscribe button, hit the like button, leave us a comment, hit the bell, so when I upload again, you can see. Like I said before, but I'm doing 30 days of runny eggs, so it's a bit different. Right, we need to learn new people. That's the top. That's the top. That's the bottom. Right, let's get a. Oh, sorry. That's that for. Right, I'm just going to move you over to there. Just going to stick the pan there, which you can't see. That's that there. That is proper crispy. There we go. There's the egg, jalapenos. Looking gorgeous. Turn it off. Right. Is it all going to go wrong? Sticking to the bacon. Right. Cool. Is this? I'll stick that on there. On there like that. Got a bit of brown sauce on there. Hopefully you can still see. I'll shut the window so you don't have to hear the kids down the street. Bit of sauce. Bit of pepper. Remove that pack. There we go. Something like that. Can I eat it without making a mess? Definitely not. It's going to be messy. Right. So, yeah. Fingers up. Oh. hot dogs cooked in bacon. Lovely.